Hello and welcome back to my channel. And I don't know what will be this video message for who is it intended to, but I'm going to be just channeling the messages and I'm going to be telling you what you need to hear right now. So let's quickly find out what is angels guidance for you. What is it that angels want to tell you right now? I have been doing tarot for the past 8 years, and I have in tarot readings for more than the card just came out. Okay, so the message, that has come out for you is lioness. Okay, you have earned your stripes. So this message is very specific for some people who I am manifesting. It should reach only the right people who are meant to find the message right now. Maybe currently you're going through certain thoughts in your mind, which is, which kind of like questions yourself. Like you might be finding yourself asking questions like, what you're doing in life, is it what you were meant to do, or maybe questions related to your looks or how you look currently, and yeah, so basically you might have gone through a lot in your life. So the current message that's coming up for you is very important, and it is saying that sometimes when you grow, growth comes with scars. Not all growth is going to be easy, right? Like no growth is easy. So the version of you that has unfolded right now, it has gone through a lot, and that's why the scars have also come. Maybe in the process you have been, maybe you have lost someone, maybe you have been betrayed, maybe a lot of places, places में जहाँ पे आपको जो मिलना था वो आपको मिला नहीं, या आप सैबोटाज हुए हो, अपनों से आपको काफ़ी पेन मिला हो, या लाइफ की सिचुएशन में आप आज हो सकता है ऐसे खुद को देखे हो जहाँ पे आप कहीं और भी हो सकते थे. लाइक यू कुड हैव बीन more successful, or you could have been in better positions that you deserved because you worked very hard for it, but somehow हो सकता है कि आपको वो नहीं मिला जो जिसके आप हकदार थे. तो इस वजह से आपके लिए जो मैसेज आ रहा है वो ये है कि आप जहाँ पे आए हो, लाइक वेयर यू हैव रीच्ड टिल नाउ, it's also actually very far. You should see from where you started. और जहाँ से आपने स्टार्ट किया वहाँ से आप बहुत आगे ऑलरेडी आ चुके हो, एंड यू शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ द वर्जन दैट यू बिकम. एंड यू माइट थिंक दैट जो आपके इस प्रोसेस में जो आप पे स्कार्स आए हैं, या जितना आपने अपने आप को खोया होगा, या कितने सारे चेंजेस आए होंगे आप पे, वो सारा जो चेंजेस है वो एक रिमाइंडर है कि आपका एंड्योरेंस कितना ज़्यादा है, आप कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, और कैसे आपने अपने लाइफ में एक एक चीज़ों को, एक एक हर्डल्स को क्रॉस करते हुए आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे हो. सो इट्स जस्ट अ रिमाइंडर एंड अ प्रूफ दैट यू कैन सर्वाइव एनीथिंग. So the angels want you, if you're listening to this video right now, the angels want you to pay attention to these words that I'm saying, that you are capable of, surviving anything. You're very, very strong, and be proud of the version that you've become. Don't question yourself. Stars. And this is the second message. You can manifest your every wish. So you have been asked to see both the cards. Okay, just focus on the cards once. One is the lioness and the other one is the star. So आपको बोला जा रहा है कि currently you need to tap into that version of yourself which is a very strong version, and you should also be able to understand that you have come so far. It has not happened by chance. God has been training you for the longest time to unfold a version of you which is meant to be a warrior. Okay, you are being asked to become a warrior. A warrior, आपको पता है, is a very strong योद्धा, is a very strong kind of person, right? तो आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आप खुद को अगर सोच रहे हैं कि वीक हो, तो आप वीक तो डेफिनेटली नहीं हो. अगर आपने वेट पुट ऑन करा है, या कुछ चेंजेस लाना चाहते हो, तो ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स कैन हैपन वेरी इजीली बिकॉज you can manifest any of your wishes. So that's a very strong message coming for you. You can manifest any wish. Okay? And you've been asked to slay them all, like slay all the dragons, all the people, and whoever has tried to like bring chaos in your life. You have been asked to take control and slay all of them. Not feel weak about it. Okay? It's time for you to take your goals and turn them into reality. तो जो भी आपके गोल्स है, आपको उसको रियलिटी में टर्न करने के लिए राइट देम डाउन इन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, मेक अ प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटेजी एंड गो फॉरवर्ड विद इट बिकॉज यू हैव इट इन यू. इट्स अ कॉन्फर्मेशन दैट द एंजल्स आर गिविंग यू. यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू क्रिएट योर ड्रीम बोर्ड. अगर अभी तक आपने ड्रीम बोर्ड नहीं बनाया है, आपका विजुअलाइजेशन के लिए आपने एक बोर्ड नहीं बनाया है, तो प्लीज़ उसको बनाएं अभी जल्दी से. बिकॉज आपके साथ यू माइट थिंक यूर अलोन, but you are actually accompanied by very strong powerful forces, invisible beings who you cannot see. वो आपको सपोर्ट कर रहा है, वो आपके साथ है. इस वजह से आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आप अपने डेली मैनिफेस्टेशन को अब एकदम सीरियसली ले और उन चीज़ों पे फोकस करें जो आप अपने लाइफ में मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हैं. और उसके लिए आपको फुल सपोर्ट एंजल्स से, यूनिवर्स से, गॉड से डेफिनेटली मिलने वाला है. You can also cast a small spell because universe is going to give you what you deserve. Okay? And what you deserve is the best. So it's a beautiful time for casting spells. Now I practice only white stuff, like things that are good, that is connected with light. तो मुझे ब्लैक मैजिक और इन सब चीज़ों का आइडिया नहीं है, बट डेफिनेटली मुझे इतना पता है कि आपको अपने अराउंड एक सुरक्षा कवच जैसे बनाना ज़रूरी है. You should protect yourself from all kind of evil energies or evil, evil eyes, evil energies और dark magic और black magic जो वगैरह होता है उन सब चीज़ों से. So make sure that you do the rituals. My rituals will be listed on the website Angelica and the Guardian, and it will really be helpful for you to book those rituals because those rituals are very powerful and it has helped lots and lots of people, and it will definitely help you too. Otherwise there are a lot of things that you can do yourself also, so you've been asked to do that. And keep in mind that you need to believe that you deserve it. So in the process you should know that itna jo aap dur aaye ho, how far you've come. Just look back and see so many things that has happened to you and you have survived it all. So just imagine you are able to survive it because God has been actively protecting you, supporting you and making you a very strong version. So celebrate this lioness. See, you can see she's not a regular figure, she has kind of gained weight, right? And even after that she is enjoying her time in a sunset and she's reading a book. So maybe you are not in your perfect shape or size like how you used to be or how you would like to be. So don't start projecting hate on yourself for that or feel like you are not doing good or something. Don't think of it like that, but take it as a regard and as a give yourself that respect because you have been through so much to reach this version of you. Now if you want to manifest your a particular kind of body, a particular kind of relationship, a particular kind of lifestyle that you want or the career, you've been asked to make a board for it and start working for it, and you will be definitely helped. See, when the heart is involved, people don't always have the best intentions. They will pretend they are good for you only for you to find out that they are toxic or even abusive. So the time has come to face your dragons and you must slay them before they slay you. Of course, don't literally slay them, but make sure that you won't stand for their mistreatment. So agar there are some people in your life who have been not treating you correctly, who have been toxic with you, or who have always made you feel like you're not good enough, you're not so nice, or any kind of way आपको bad feel कराया हो, so you've been asked to cut off all your links with them. Like just slay that, because anything that is not feeding your confidence, that is not feeding your mind in a positive way, should be just slayed. I mean, obviously you're not supposed to be slaying them, but angels are telling that some people who have not been treating you well, you should just definitely mentally, emotionally disconnect with them and protect yourself, because you are this lioness and you have earned your stripes. Okay, so this was the message for you. Next video में और messages के साथ meet करते हैं. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, it's all free for you to subscribe. I'll be very grateful if you join my family. Please subscribe to this channel, Angelica and the Guardian. I'm going to add that, so we will be you'll be soon be able to book your readings and lot of manifestation rituals from our website. I have been giving personal support to my clients, but now you will via YouTube. I am thinking that I'll be able to help more people, and it is coming from a place of purpose in my life, because I have just started this channel because I was guided by the angels to help others, and my messages will resonate with you. And if it doesn't resonate with you, then don't force yourself to believe that this message is for you. Not all messages will be for everybody. Some messages will resonate, some will not. So irrespective of that, if take the part that resonates and leave the part that doesn't. And I wish and pray that you have a beautiful life and you get the courage and the strength to be your best version. Okay, and don't let anything stop you. No negative self-talk, no negative people, nothing that brings you down. You should let that bring you down. You have to just focus your energy on what you want to manifest, and those manifestations will definitely come to you, because the spirit guides, the angels, they all, your ancestors, they all want to see you happy. They all want to see you live your best life. They don't want to see you in pain, and for that you only have to take the actions, right? So please make sure that you focus on the right things that you want, whether it's in your career goals, your health goals, your love life, and then you will see a lot of improvements because you will be continuously manifesting. So hit the like button if you like the video, and sharing the energy will definitely help you claim it. When you share the energy, you can claim better. And yeah, lots of love to you. Bye.